Coach J here. I hope you're all having a great day and I hope you all had a great weekend. And let's get right into the recap. So, today and this whole week, actually, I decided I'm only going to be trading the future forward slash NQ with its corresponding ETFs TQQQ and SQQQ. And the reason why I want to do that is because I just feel like the momentum hasn't been there as well as I would have liked. And forward slash NQ is something I found myself last week trading and I really enjoy trading it. So I thought, why not just trade it this week? And basically on the day, as you can see on SQQQ, I took 3 different trades and I ended up losing a total of $25 on the day. And this is just our swing trade. We're not counting as a day trade, but I'm going to walk through my plan with you guys again right after I go over my play on the day. But long story short, forward slash NQ today did not have the biggest moves. It was pretty choppy all day. As you can see when the market opened up around 6:30 right here. It was just trading kind of choppy-ish between the bottom and top VWAP, but really taking its time to try and find any type of direction. So direction was not the most clear today. That's why I was down 25 and walked away. I thought there was nothing worth trading and staying on the market to kind of look for trades or something like that because it wasn't really that volatile or clear today. So I just really wanted to do my part in walking away when I find direction isn't there. Now, as far as the direction of forward slash NQ, I personally believe, and this is all my opinion, again, I want to stress that I personally believe that forward slash NQ today had a choppy-ish day because it is in unclear territory on the bigger time frame. If you guys were to see the NASDAQ in the big picture, this is in the year time frame. It's been consistently selling off about that, right? There's no doubt about that. And if you guys look at it in the even bigger time frame, the 3 years, you guys can see that right now we're approaching a territory where it's kind of unclear to everyone looking at these charts as to what's gonna happen, right? It's approaching this SMA line, which it has not even approached since March of 2020. As you can see, the data is right here. Since March of 2020, it hasn't approached this area. And obviously the market was overdue for a pullback, right? It was very overextended. It's not a big shocker. It has been going on this bearish run. But that's why I believe that the market was choppy today because who knows, this thing can very well keep selling off and touch the SMA and keep going. Nothing says it has to stop around here and bounce. But this is a typical support area on the bigger time frame, and I think with people paying attention to it, then they're really going to be able to just determine, it's going to be harder to determine whether the stock wants to pick up or go back down. Even on the 20-year time frame, the 20-year, you can see that the Nasdaq overall has been very bullish over the years, but it does have these dips every now and then when when the whole economy can turn bad, like inflation's been really high. That's kind of what's been driving this down. It's been one of the factors, but as you can see towards the end of the market today, I just hopped on my computer right now and I saw this big sell-off. And I didn't pay attention to it earlier on in the day because I was at work, but from what I'm seeing on the news chart, it looks like the sell-off was also due potentially to a big decline in Snapchat. If I show you guys the stock right now, the stock literally dropped around 40% off of really bad news that basically that the company has been struggling to hit any of its goals because the economy is in a worse position than they thought. And this company losing this much money is one factor that did make the Nasdaq sell off incredibly hard. And today, to basically go over my play, I didn't start trading it until around 7:15 in the morning, right around here. And where I went wrong was trying to get into SQs. I tried to go with direction for the day. When market opened up, it started selling off, and I got in like right around somewhere here when it approached the EMA again, hoping for a sell-off again, a continuous sell-off, but that didn't happen. Ended up coming up. I tried another SQ play right around here, but ultimately ended up coming back up again and flushing me out. And I believe I did try one more SQ's play right around here. I got in at a top level here, came all the way down here, and I was actually green on the day. I was up like over 20 bucks on the trade, and unfortunately, I did not sell, and it ended up coming all the way up. there was not a clear direction today, which is why, like I said, I thought it was choppy. And as you can see, if I can show you on the actual stock, I was only down today $25, and I'm very happy with that. I decided to just walk away and call it because, like I said, direction's not there and I didn't want to trade it. And as far as the Tesla play goes, this is just a stock me and my brother are planning on swing trading, and we just didn't want to include it in our results because this channel focuses on day trading and that's what we focus on. But we really do view the market to be at great deals right now because of how much the Nasdaq is sold off. And Tesla, we, as far as our plan, we have 2 shares right now at 663, and we don't plan to get rid of these shares until if it were to keep selling off, it hits the price point around $510. That's just a dollar amount me and my brother have decided we're willing to give up. And in terms of the upside with this offers, if this thing from 663 were to reverse all the way to its kind of areas it was trading at before, that's around 50 to 60% push. If it goes to all-time highs, that's almost going to be 100% push. Tesla at these deals, in my opinion, and that's only my opinion again, I believe they're a good deal, but just because they're cheap doesn't mean they can't keep getting cheaper. The cheap can always get cheaper, and these stocks can continue to keep falling if the market keeps falling. So do not just load up at these levels now because they do seem like good prices with everything you have. Just be patient, wait for the confirmation to really show itself, and you'll be able to ride a large margin still if you're patient for confirmation up. So there's no reason to put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for the recap, for tuning into the recap. I hope you all learned something. I hope you all had a great day, and please make sure to like and subscribe. We're still a relatively new channel and we're trying to really grow this account. So thank you guys all so much again. It's been another day trading recap, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.